all you viewers of Name Later, how we doing today? I know. We never ever look at this company, do we? Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. But today, as you can tell, we're going to take a look at the CRKT Up At Em. Now, I saw this one when I was surfing through Amazon, and I went, ooh, cool. I like it. Looks gently blade, looks big, looks scary. I got to bring it to the channel. But as you guys know, CRKT usually includes a bunch of propaganda, and today they want you to take a look at, well, the free-range Hunter fixed blade. I don't know, maybe one day I'll bring it to the channel. But, okay. So, here we go with the Up and At 'em. First thing I went is, ooh, silvery. That thing's bright. Wow. I did like the jimping up here. And I did like the fact that the flipper with the little jimping on there to help you like knock it out. It really gives you that finger protection from going forward. It just had this sleek little design look. And you guys know I like gentleman blades. So I had to bring it to my channel. Alright, let's get into the fun stuff like we usually do. Now this is a Matthew Lorch design. We have had things from him before on the channel. It's got an overall length of 33 inches. It is a big guy, like I said. The blade is about 3.62 inches. Well, I should say with a cutting surface of 3.375. Enclosed, it's about 4.71. Now, we do have a big weight to it of about 4.29 ounces. You feel it for a little bit. I think it's more the length of it in your pocket. That's why you really, truly seem to notice it more. Now, we are done in the drop point style with a very plain edge and a hollow grind. Now, you guys know I love stonewash the most, but satin is also one of my favorite finishes. And you can tell how it just picks up that light, and God forbid if you ever need it for signaling, you got a great thing right there with your blade. Now, the blade steel, yeah, I know, everyone's going to complain. It's a good steel, it's a budget steel. You're going to get used to sharpening it, which is kind of part of the fun of owning a blade. But it's 8CR13 MOV. Really no issue with it. I've never really had an issue. That's just me. Now, we have a gray-colored stainless steel frame, but it kind of looks a little satiny side. Like on the front, it looks a little better than the back, but you can definitely see the gray. We do have a frame lock. Now, hopefully you can see right there. It comes it has a travel stop included in there. That way it's going to keep you from going too far over and potentially damaging your liner lock. Now, it does have a flipper open, but see, I almost got it. It is a manual flipper, so it just takes a little bit to break in. See, there we go. Now, there's only one way to carry this thing. It is right-hand carry, tip up with a very deep pocket clip. I really wish they could have put like a lanyard hole in here somewhere and make it a little easier to try to pry out of your pants. I did like the fact they put in that little back spacer. It just gave it a pretty cool look right there. And yes, in case you're wondering, it is made in China. Alright, now let's do those cut tests that we like to do here on the channel. We usually only do 3. And if you're curious why I'm doing these 3, take a look right up there. You're going to see a card for why I do those cut tests. First up, as usual, heavy-duty stock paper. Oh, listen to that sound. Ooh, that's a nice curly cue. It does have a lot of snowfall, as you can see right there. But yeah, so here's a huge reason why I try to get a curly cue. Anybody can grab any blade and go sharp. But if you just drag it along at the same angle very slowly, that should happen. That paper should curl back in on itself. That's a sign that there's really no pits, chips, micro abrasions, any problems with your blade. Like I said, it did pick up some snowfall a moment ago, but it seems to be gone now with that, but okay. Oh God, we're on to this. The struggle test. I know, Bill Rivers. I'm still using that line. You can get over it. You gave it to me. I'm going to beat it into the ground until I get new paracord. Alrighty, here we go with the first part. Pull test. Nope. But I went through with a slice, no problem. Look at that. I hate this paracord. And there we go. Alright. This This is who you're really here to see today, not me. You guys have gotten to this point in the video because you want to see Mr. Ratchet Strap. I know, he's more popular than I am, and I got a channel, and that's all everyone talks about is Mr. Ratchet Strap. There we go. Alright. Let's take a look. I don't really see anything there on the blade, but okay, that's cool. Alright, now I did the homework and all the fun, the fun stuff on this guy on 8/5/22, and I'm filming this video on 8/6/2022. Took a look on Amazon, Blade HQ, and CRKT. On CRKT, it's $54.99, Blade HQ, $33.95, and Amazon, $53.20. Been reviewed once on CRKT, 5 out of 5. Once on Blade HQ, 5 out of 5. 54 times on Amazon for a 4.7 out of 5. Now, here's the best part of the video for me. You ready? You ready? You ready? Can you feel the magic? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, and anger. All that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this one's a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? Like I said, I like it. It fit with something I've been trying to carry and trying to do. It's big enough to be really combat effective if you need it to, but not so menacing that if you're not used to carrying blades, someone's not going to freak out and go, ah, he's got a knife! Okay. Now, with all that fun stuff being said, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know we do things really differently here on the channel, and I just want to thank you for watching. And speaking of that, if you liked what you saw, hit the big old thumbs up. It's only going to help the channel. It's really going to help trigger the, analytics and all that fun stuff, and let YouTube know I'm not a complete, total moron. Notice how I said complete and total, Bill Rivers. Don't you leave that comment. Don't do it. I know you're going to do it. But after you guys do all that fun stuff, okay? Well, I should say, let me back up. I'm getting ahead of myself. For you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how your suggestion might be able to change the course of history of this channel. Now, after you've done all that stuff, it's all free. I know, I'm asking a lot, but it's all free. Take a look right down there. Going to be a big channel symbol popping up in a moment. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. See, one-touch easy access. After you've beat up that subscribe, why don't you go ahead and destroy that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we come to YouTube to see and have fun with, 2 will be popping up over here. Those will be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at Matthew Lorch's Up At Em. Thanks so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see all of you in our brand new video.